This is Nature with Shivani.
Okay, come on people. Right, let me just take you through. Right, I've got my glasses because I need my glasses. But I've got this lovely hat so I blend in. Notice I am very green. My scarf is for protection and my coat is designer. Along with my mum's wellies. I can't actually see with these glasses on. It looks all a bit blurry. Let's just skip, shall we?
Oh.
Right in the middle. Oh! Right in the middle. Tired of skipping now.
Okay. Do you want me to walk in front so it's kind of like...
Oh yes. Today we are going to be looking at... what are we looking at?
I don't know. It's your nature show.
Certain species of plants and wildlife. That whichever we can... What?
That's a plan.
Alright. Over here we have... Oh, it's a dog. We have the called a weed. It's a very rare specimen. Please zoom in. Here we have the leaves and the mud. Very. Yes. Here we have a fish pond. If you look close enough, you can see any microscopic fish.
Yes.
Should we stop it till we get to the tool?
Yeah.
Good idea.